Okay, we haven't done like a curl routine in a minute. I feel like I need to because the products I'm obsessed with right now are all Aveda products. Like, as you can tell, I'm obsessed. Wait, there's another one. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I style my hair from wet to dry. I already have product in it, but I am going to style in front of you guys just so you guys can see how I style my hair. I am watching a lot of Sex in the City, so I'm trying to get my curls. My curls are curly. Like, this is 3B to 3C type of curl, and my texture is medium coarse. So I do have some textures fine, but I also have coarse hair, which is why I have my curls. So I'm gonna try to see if I can achieve the look in my own way. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I dare you to choose you. I did use these two. Oh, sorry, am I shaking? The whole tripod shaking. I did use these two in the shower. The Scalp Solution. Oh, sorry, there's like hair on it. So it hydrates the scalp, and you leave it on for exactly 2 to 5 minutes. I left it on a little bit longer because in the shower, when I do any type of mask, if it's a scalp mask or a deep conditioning mask, what I like to do is I'll leave it on for 10 minutes and do my, you know, wash, bathroom duties, shave, exfoliate, and oil, you know. So I do air dry like up to 70%. So I'm gonna air dry, and then the rest I will use the Dyson depending on how I feel. I will do that off camera. If you want to see how I use my Dyson, I will put a video down below on exactly how I diffuse my hair with the Dyson. That's a totally different other video. So I'll be back with the results. And the end result, Carrie Bradshaw, who, one thing about, I just finished watching the whole series, even the movies. Now I'm watching And Just Like That. But in the beginning of Sex and the City, Carrie's curls were so dry and frizzy, and I think they did not do her curls justice in the beginning of the first couple seasons. They just needed it to be more hydrated. She needed a better leave-in conditioner, a better primer, and just a better styling routine. And I think her curls would have had thrived a lot more in the beginning. No hate, I love Carrie's curls, but you know, we can always strive for more. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And that's all, folks. I hope you guys don't hear the Super Bowl in the background. I'm watching this as I'm recording this as well. Okay. Love you guys. Hope you have a great night. Mwah.